Gotta go back down. Normally I like to just fish right off the bridge of the spillway, but oh goodness, old mate almost. As heavy as this wind is, I really don't have much choice but to come down. In the muskrat territory, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go small, see if we can get on the board here. Hopefully crappie, a little bass, bluegill, something. Who wants to get involved? Wow. We are on board, brothers. Finally got us a bass. It's funny, but that's why I go small most of the time. Is I'm trying to find anything that'll bite, and a good bass. Good bass is awesome. Yeah, check him out. Pretty nice. Maybe this fish's tail give you a little indication how windy it is. He's a beautiful bass. Nice little spillway bass, man. Woo! Yeah, check him out, man. Pretty boy. I need to get him back in the water. This wind is going to dry him off, potentially harm him, I believe. So yeah, we'll get him back in over here. Just going to throw him in right here. It's not very deep, but it's not terrible. All right, brother. Thank you. All right. Finally got onto the bass. That's cool though. I'm glad we got one. And these are some creeper bass, man. Second one on, brothers. Oh yeah, he got some jacked up mouth meat. What's up with that? See how he got it? It's right on in there in that mouth meat. But yeah, he got a little scar or something on his mouth. See that? Pretty nasty. He's a little fatter, a little more aggressive, maybe. Yeah, second one on, man. Seems like the wind is the recipe for catching these fish. And I know there's a nice storm coming in tonight, so it's probably gonna bring a lot of pressure. And I think they're kind of fattening up with all this warm weather we had. It's like a fake spring or something, you know. Hey, but we're catching, man. Like the content, tickle that though, but yeah, look at that. Yeah, poor guy's got a nice little something going on there, but hopefully all that gets situated there, brother. Yes, sir. All right. Got it. Got it. We got him. You the one getting all that commotion over there, brother? He or she seems beast. About like the same one we caught earlier. Maybe a little thicker. Not terrible. Not too bad at all. All right, brother. Thanks again, man. Good luck out there. Excuse me. He scared me. He smashed. Yeah, man, it's crazy how the bass are on today. Yeah, it's a little guy. He hit it hard though. Thank you, brother. Got him. Got him that time, brother. Same old song, man. Same song, brothers. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my last one tonight here. Right before the sunset. But this will be about the fourth bass today. We didn't catch very many, but hey, we caught some fish, so that's all that matters. Just funny how the species been working, so. Ooh! Hey, thanks for watching that. All right. Here we go, brother. Thank you. I really appreciate you biting, buddy. That's a nice saw guy, huh?
Yeah, buddy.
You guys keeping?
He does, I don't. He got a big saw guy. That's the first one we've seen out here today.
I caught like 8 of them one day in here like this.
Really?
About all the same size. No, I catch and release, so. Okay. He doesn't want it though?
You don't want him, Mike? No, thank you.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, that's what we do. We catch and release. We're just more or less fun fishing.
Yeah, that's the way I like to do it. We're on the board today. Nice, beautiful, sunny day out. Don't really need this jacket, but it's windy, so hey, gotta protect my figure. We got a fighter. I like the first one. This one. I'm not gonna lie, I switched baits. It could be the same one. Looks. He Looks a lot like the same one. It's got similar markings. Could be. There's a little hole right here, maybe. Good look out there, brother. Oh, he's over here now. These fish are fired up, man. Ooh. Oh, goodness, brother. What a beast. He's tricky, man. Pretty cool, right? Man, I tell you, I can catch these guys all day long. That makes me happier than some good old saw guy fights, man. Hey, two buddies just sharing a smile together, you know what I'm saying? Catch fish every day, man. Thanks for watching. All right, brother. All right, big fella. You guys are fattening up pretty big, ain't you? Okay. Well, one bites the dust. Beautiful fish. All right, man. Got another one in, man. It's hard to believe these guys still want to bite that lure, but hey, can't resist it. Ooh! There it is, man. Really fat boys. Nice fight. All right, brother, we appreciate you, man.